song by Sir Chloe called Company. Nice song. Starts out in G sharp minor, or you could play it as a power chord. Just play the top lower 3 strings. Then it goes to E, B, C sharp. You should probably play it as a minor, but you can play it as a power chord too. E, B, C sharp minor, E power chord, back to C sharp minor, A, back to C sharp minor, and the chorus is F sharp minor, E, A. I pay good money for some company. I pay some money for company. Okay, have fun playing that one.
Thanks for watching.
Me?
No, girl.
Oh.